Hello everyone, welcome to English with KD. How are you people? I hope you are good. Today I would continue in my video from where I left off yesterday discussing English speaking. Yes, you heard me right guys. The next step going to be learn with music. Yes, whenever I talk about music, you know I feel energetic, like I feel something from inside. Why? Because I always feel that music flows in my blood or runs in my blood. I really love music guys, so I have also done this. I have also did this experiment learning with music, and of course it worked very well. It showed me wonderful result as well. So I would definitely suggest you to follow this tip. Yes, it worked. So what you guys have to do, nothing, just go to any music application, or you just tap on any song, not any song guys, only English song. Okay, remember, yes, only English song. I'm talking about only English song. You just tap on it and you just try to listen to it. Yeah, while trying to listen to that particular song, you just try to write down words or phrases where you think those words are going to be useful for you in your future conversation, and you can also use that phrases. Okay, because it will be helpful for you to build confidence while you are talking. You can use them, and you can use them in your conversation even in future. So you can just do that, or what you can do is you can just enjoy as well as guys while listening to the music. What can be more fun and what can be more happiness, like enjoyable moment, when you are trying to listen to melodious music and when you are at the same time you are trying to learn English as well. Yes, you have a both benefit. Here we are doing two things. It is just like killing two birds with at one stone. So we are doing a great things guys. So just follow this tip. It is going to be helpful for you a lot, and of course it will yield a good result as well. So just follow it. Yes, and do not forget to sing along with the lyrics. Yes, it might sound complex, but according to me, when you try to sing every single word every single day, even when you can definitely sing that Hollywood song. Yes guys, because it was actually happened to me. I don't even know how to sing in English. Yes, it is right, how to sing in a single word in English. But the moment I started listening to it, like it took me almost 1 or 2 months to completely involve myself in the music. Yes, it is right. In this music world, like especially Hollywood music. Yes. So after these 2 years, it was like a miracle or magic happened to me. I started singing English song very well. Yes, and of course, without music even. Yeah. Also, guys, you can do that thing easily, little by little and day by day. You can practice. If you start singing along with the lyrics, you can also brush up your skill today. And you can be a singer as well. Yes, you heard me right. So you may be, and you come like you can be a future singer. I'm just kidding guys. So just do it and enjoy the process, and enjoy while we are doing something, and at least you can learn the thing, how the sentence and how the phrases, verbs and all that. We are not going to even earn a knowledge. We can earn everything, and we can learn the situation. We can just like be happy. You can be happy, and we feel that excitement. Yes, this is the right thing, and you feel more energetic. So you don't feel boredom, and you don't feel like gloomy or something else. You just feel energetic, and you just feel like, then you feel like learning everything every day. Okay, so just take a baby step while you are following all these 4 steps, and do not forget in the last step too. Yes, repeat multiple times. This will help you a lot. Play the one song like multiple times and try to sing along with it. Doesn't matter, because learning with music can be a lot of fun guys, a lot of fun. It doesn't matter how much time will it take, but it will improve and it will works, and it is catchy as well. Means that those lyrics whatever we are singing along with the song is going to stick in our mind. Those lyrics are very wonderful, as same like as Hindi songs. Whatever the lyrics we try to sing, we can use it 1 hour. like in our conversation, in our everyday life? Yes, because I experience it, and of course I also used to use those phrases or words whatever I come across in front of the people, whatever I come across in those lyrics. It is going to be a fun a lot. Yes guys, so follow these tips and never forget to be consistent every single day, and during the journey you feel match. Never undermine yourself, and never pull yourself, and never because you are going good and you are doing very well in this journey. And of course you can get a fluency like as early as possible, but there is no rush guys. Take your own time and enjoy the process and get fluency. Okay, it will take time. And yeah, that is all about this is video, like what I can say more about. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care all of you, and never forget to put on smile on your face and keep practicing, because you guys look more beautiful when you wear that smile. See you in next video with more explanation about English speaking conversation. Yes guys, I will help you a lot more. Friends, you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Keep support me friends, this is a new YouTube channel. Okay friends, bye bye, see you in next video with another topic.